The number of chocolates you get will be 3 more than the number of chocolates Brian gets. How do we represent this mathematically? The number of chocolates you get depends on something. But depends on what? It depends on the number of chocolates Brian gets. And how many does Brian get? We don't know. The number might vary. And since it might vary, let us say that the number of chocolates Brian gets is our favorite variable x. This x can be any positive integer, 2, 3, 5, 10 or whatever. So what will be the number of chocolates you get? Remember, 3 more than Brian. So the number of chocolates you get will be x plus 3. Let us write it down in a fancy way. P of x equals x plus 3. What does this mean and why did we write it this way? X plus 3 is a polynomial in x, hence the letter p. It's a polynomial since there is more than one term in this expression. Why do we need this polynomial? It's because that's what we are concerned about. It boils down to how many chocolates you get. The number of chocolates Brian gets will be put in place of x, and what answer you get will be the number of chocolates you have. If Brian gets 5 chocolates, you will have 5 plus 3, which is 8 chocolates. If Brian gets 10 chocolates, you will get 10 plus 3, which is 13 chocolates. So why did I show you this example? You just learned a very important concept called the value of the polynomial. You are finding different values of polynomials for different values of x. Here, 5 and 10 are different values of x, and 8 and 13 are the values of the polynomial for these values of x. Now that you know this concept, solving problems will be ultra simple. Let's say we are given the polynomial p of x as x cubed plus 7x squared minus 4x plus 19. We are asked to find p of x when x equals 2. What they are asking us to find is the value of the polynomial when x is equal to 2. So all we have to do is substitute x with 2 in the given polynomial and find p of 2. X cubed will be 2 cubed. All we did was substituted x with 2. Substituting with 2 here, we get plus 7 times 2 squared. Minus 4 times 2 plus 19. 2 cubed is 8. This is 7 times 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 19. That equals 47. So we can say that the value of the polynomial is 47 when x equals 2. But what are zeros of a polynomial?